we are from Diploma Medical Lab Technology. We're gonna present about
Yuk, ini Mimi dulu bentar yuk, yuk. Adik aja minum. Adik aja minum. Ya, dari mau dari sini yang adiknya minum ya. Dari sini. Jangan nanti dibuang ya. Ya, ya, minum. Minum. Minum sayang. Kate, di kecap sekatane.
Rabies is an acute, progressive, and almost always lethal zoonotic neurological infection. It is caused by rabies virus, formerly known as rabies virus, and family Rhabdoviridae. The enveloped RNA virus is spread worldwide except in Antarctica and some islands. Each year, approximately 60,000 people die from rabies infection. More than 80% of the deaths occurs in Asia and Africa. A further 50 million people receive post-exposure prophylaxis PrEP against rabies every year.
Hi, I am Hafiz. Rabies is named after Lysa, the ancient Greek spirit of marriage, and has been haunting humans for at least 4,000 years. The Lysa virus has only 5 genes and instructions for 5 proteins that allow it to solve complex problems. It aims to infect a mammal, avoid its immune system, travel to its brain, make more of itself, and infect new hosts. The virus starts with a bite, likely from a dog carrying millions of viruses in its saliva. It targets nerve cells, which are living electrochemical wires that transfer signal throughout the body. The Lysa virus used one of its 5 proteins to hijack the system and order it to hit for the nucleus. Usually, when a virus attacks your civilian cells, the immune system activates the immune response by releasing interferons that alert the immune system to make antivirus weapons. These interferons tell cells to turn down the protein factories, preventing virus from replicating efficiently. They also tell cells to become super transparent, allowing immune cells to recognize the virus inside. The cells create display windows called MHC class 1 molecules, which allow cells to become more transparent. If a cell is infected and forced to make a virus part, your immune cells will see this part in a window and order to the infected cell to kill itself and all the virus trapped within. Unfortunately, Lysa virus blocks your neurons from making interference and stay basically invisible to your immune system. When the Lysa virus replicates, it steadily jumps from neuron to neuron slowly, making its way to the brain. Finally, the immune system catches on that something isn't right and reacts. The immune system then dispatches killer T cells to seek and kill infected cells and wipe out the enemy. In rabies, the Lysa virus plays an Uno reverse card using its 5 protein to attack the central nervous system. The immune system must be careful, as nerve cells can order T cells to self-destruct if they think they are overacting. Lysa figured out a way to make infected neurons express the order, so as your powerful defense cells arrive, they are ordered to commit suicide. Now the virus infiltrates. Once this stage is reached, you are going to die.
Hi, I am Nick. I'm going to explain about rabies in Malaysia. In Malaysia, rabies have been killed 44 lives in recent rabies outbreak in Sarawak. Rabies victims only have 4% of survival rate, which indicate how serious and deadly this disease was. The origin of this deadly disease was believed to have originated from West Kalimantan in Indonesia, where a large rabies outbreak had occurred. The investigation that has been conducted found that the spreading of the rabies resulted from an irresponsible dog owner from the infected area of rabies taking out his dog from the area, which spread the disease around the surrounding area widely.
Hi, I'm Wan Zainal Amri bin Wan Nazaruddin, and I'm here to explain the symptoms of rabies. First and foremost, fever, a temporary condition where our body's temperature is higher than the optimal level. Secondly, headache, which is a pain in any region of our head which then progresses to cerebral dysfunction, anxiety, confusion, and agitation. Thirdly, a sore throat, a condition that is painful when we try to swallow something due to muscle spasms in the throat that might make it hard to swallow. Fourthly, hydrophobia. Hydro means water and phobia means an extreme irrational fear. So hydrophobia as a whole means extreme fear of water. Last but not least, pain while drinking water. That makes us feel pain when trying to drink water because it alters the saliva production process and causes painful muscle spasms that discourage swallowing. That's all from me, thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Firdaus from class C1. Today I want to explain about prevention of rabies. First, vaccine dogs and cats against rabies are required by law. All dogs and cats more than 4 months of age must be vaccinated against rabies. Keep vaccination correct at all time. Second, keeps dogs and cats under control. Animal control law prohibit allowing animal to roam supervised. Roaming pets are more likely to have been exposed to rabies than those supervised by their owns. Lastly, leave stray and unknown dogs and cats alone. Those animals are more likely to have been exposed to rabies and to attack others. Keep pets away from stray. Thank you.
In conclusion, Malaysia continues to be quite concerned about the rabies. The rabies virus is the main cause of the disease, which primarily affects animals but can also affect humans through bites or scratches. Malaysia has occasionally seen rabies epidemics in various areas, which prompted the introduction of a number of control measures, such as widespread dog vaccination programs, activity to control animals, and public awareness campaigns. The risk of contracting rabies is still exists despite these efforts, so it's critical for people to take precautions, including immunizing their pets, avoiding contact with stray animals, and getting quick medical assistance in the event of an exposure to control and minimize the effects of rabies in Malaysia. Ongoing efforts is monitoring, vaccination moves, and public education are important. Bye.